We're up here on the Cumbrian coast today to have a look at this 50-point rotary that we've just installed with the 𝐓𝐏𝟏🟐 farmers. The farm kind of outgrew the previous herringbone parlour. They were looking to speed up the milking process and just to make life easier on the farm, taking in mind speed, cow comfort and welfare and durability, they decided to go with a 50-point rotary. So we'll go and have a look around and see what we can see. The farm opted for our TP195 rotary unit, so it's predominantly designed for grazing style farms. So we try and keep the bale itself very, very simple. So the only technology really on the bale is the halo LED light displays. Flashes green for milking, flashes blue if the cow's not come up to her expected yield, and red if the milk is going into the separation line. And then the only other thing on the bale is the stop-start button. So everything's really on the monitor next to the operator. So if he wants to see the cow yields, if he wants to keep cows in, drop the retention arm or anything else, it's all done on the monitor. Jetters are very easy to put up for washing or down for milking. Jetters are just on the bottom of the bale. So it's all designed for speed and ease of use really. To help with reducing bullying and to regulate the flow of cows coming in, so they're not all trying to jump into the race, we funnel the cows coming in, 2 separate lead-in rails. And then once the cows are coming through, they come through our PACE Texas gate entry system. Especially for your first group of cows coming in, they'll be rushing in through into the entry. So it just helps to calm the flow of cows coming in and actually improves cow flow because they're not trying to jump into the same stall. Cows are walking through the PACE system, they're ID'd and the feed ration is automatically dropped for each cow individually. This allows the farmer to keep on track of his feed costs and reduce the wastage. One major benefit for the farm here is, for the construction of the parlour, is the fact that the inside of the rotary is more or less exactly the same level as it is on the outside of the rotary. So we're not having to dig deep into the ground. It's a very simple construction. We want to keep our meters and milk line fairly high up because for milk sampling or maintenance, it's at operator height in the centre of the parlour. Our installation team at Pearson fitted everything up to the deck of the rotary, and then 𝐓𝐏𝟐🟐 kind of took over then and put our milking equipment on and everything up to the bales on top of the deck. We design our track system for very low maintenance and future-proofs the parlour for years to come. We have an additional area here for AI in cattle or any veterinary jobs that need doing. So we can automatically keep the retention arm down on the cows that you want to work on. We also have a manual keypad here for manually drafting the cows off if that needs to be done. The farm is on a greenfield site, so we were lucky enough to get involved from the beginning of the project. So together with the 𝐓𝐏𝟐🟐 farmers, we were involved in the design of the parlour and the collecting yard, and also the separation area for the cattle coming out of the drafting unit. It's not only important for looking at the cow flow, but also looking at comfort for the cow and for the operator, because the farmers and the cattle are here every day of the week, so it needs to be right from day one.
Following on from that, I was involved with the project from the start, managing the installation, making sure everything went smoothly, and as you can see, it paid off. Well, I hope that was very informative. Now, if you need any more information, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me at the 𝐓𝐏𝟐𝟐 Farmers. Thank you.